time today, I'm going to show you the difference between the two letter sounds. Have fun in learning phonics, alright? First of all, these are the two most commonly mispronounced letters. Okay, first of all, let's put our hands below our jaw. Don't touch the jaw, just slightly below. Okay, A, air. Can you see that your jaw is actually touching your hands? Yes, right? Like imagine you're crunching an apple, very big apple, air. So, air. Okay, again, put your hands below your jaw, slightly below. Okay, now it's E. Air. You see? Your jaw is not touching your hands, right? Alright, so air. So let me repeat myself. A, air. E, air. Alright, so now you already know the difference between A and E. I hope that you will continue to have fun and exploring more letter sounds. Okay, Dadeline, today I'm going to introduce you to new sounds, okay? This is letter A, eh. Okay, can you trace? And the next letter that I'm going to introduce to you is C, K. And what sound is this?
K.
And the next letter, D, D. What's the sound of this?
D.
And D for?
Dadeline.
Yeah, Dadeline. Okay, Dadeline. Tell me what sound is this?
K. D. Hands on the apple, Hands on the apple, Hands on the apple,
A is the sound of
A.
Let's build the blocks together. Today we're going to learn sight words. Do you know what sight words? Like high frequency words. Yes, meaning that words that you use very frequently. And by looking at it, you should be able to recognize and read the words. Alright? What is this?
Go.
Go. Okay, form a sentence using go.
I will go to learning journey center to learn.
Well done. What's this again?
Learn.
Okay, can you try to form the words for me? Very good. Okay, can you try?
Lamb.
Well done. Okay, can you try to form some sentences using these sight words? Okay?
She is my sister.
Can you read down here?
She is my sister.
Well done! If you want your child to learn how to form sentences, come and join us at Learning Journey.